How's your belly feel?
Diarrhea machine.
I mean, is it like a baby? The kid getting very baby.
Come on. No, seriously, no, I'm not joking. Seriously.
I ain't shit. No one waits. You have a whole wardrobe van. I don't want your wardrobe. I just want enough shit. Yeah.
So the boys think they're arriving in a limo for a photo shoot, but little did they know we have a shitload of bees we're gonna put through the sunroof, and we rigged the locks so they can't get out.
Ha! And when they do get out, we got a couple marbles for them.
This is the Beehive limo.
Last movie, you shit a damn man. And now you shit on. Yeah, you're stepping it up. You're stepping it up, dude.
Oh, this is good.
Close that fucking something, dude. Oh, fuck, I'm locked in. Oh my God, that sucks. That's so good. Sorry, bro. Pissed myself. What's just down right now as we look at that. Fuck. They're real funny fuckers. Is there even a photo shoot?
No, there's